What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Color Comic. I'm Forrest, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw one of my favorite Nickelodeon characters of all time, Squidward. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because after I'm done drawing, I'm going to throw in a quick time lapse of me giving this Squidward some color. And before I end up rambling too much, let's just get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do here, we're going to draw these two parallel lines to each other that come down at the bottom and form a little U shape. This will be the start of Squidward's body. So now we're going to move on to drawing this little half circle underneath his shirt, which will end up being Squidward's pelvis. What you're going to want to do now is move on to finishing his shirt. We're going to draw in both arms to the shirt and the collar. That way we have a perfect position to put Squidward's head. For his neck, we're going to go with two parallel lines again. We're just going to make them a little bit skinnier than the first two parallel lines we did at the beginning. Once you have all those drawn in, we're going to do almost a teardrop shape, and that's going to be Squidward's nose. Squidward's mouth is extremely easy to draw because it's just going to be two angled lines protruding from the sides of his nose and two little creases on the side of his mouth in the shape of a C. Similar to Squidward's mouth, his jaw is also extremely easy to draw. It's just two angled lines that follow the same angle of his mouth, and then they loop back up in the shape of a U and go about halfway back to his nose. Squidward has this big round head, so the easiest way for you guys to draw this would be two lines that go from the top of his mouth on either side, and then a giant oval or half circle that connects both of these lines. So as you guys can probably see, I had an issue with one of my markers and it broke. And I had to bolden up that line on the top of Squidward's head. If it looks a little weird, trust me, I know. I'll fix it later. So now that we have the head all the way shaped and his nose in the correct position along with his mouth, it'll be pretty simple to put the oval-shaped eyes where they belong. On either side of the nose, you're gonna do a half oval with a line that's going through the middle. On the ends of each of those lines, you're gonna do a small C shape, and that's gonna be the eyelid. Finish off the half oval on top, and then throw a pupil in there, and you got yourself some Squidward eyes. So if you've made it this far, I first off wanna say, congratulations. The hard part is now over. His arms and his legs are gonna be a breeze. We're gonna put his hands on his hips for this drawing. It keeps it a little bit easy, and you can do the same pose on each side. If you get good at it on one side, just flip it around and do it on the other. So we're gonna draw a straight line out just like we did on the opposite side, and then another parallel line to that underneath. If you think of his armpit as a triangle and you connect the line on his hip, you're gonna have arms that look similar on both sides. Now, if you watched my tutorial on how to draw Mr. Krabs, Squidward and Mr. Krabs, they almost have similar hands. Now I know, one's a crab, one's a squid, but all the same, it's essentially just a big rounded half circle with little triangles for the fingertips. All right, everybody, it is time to bring this bad boy on home, and that means we gotta do his legs. I'm not gonna get into too much detail on how to do his legs. It's pretty self-explanatory if you watch my drawing here. You're gonna have straight lines that go down, and his feet are just gonna kind of ski slope up and then round themselves back out towards the bottom. If you're worried about drawing straight lines that are that long, don't worry. If you look at the video, you can see that I made a mistake. You can also grab a ruler and make them perfectly straight. Now, I promised you guys a quick little time lapse of me giving this Squidward some color. So here it is. But before I play it, if you haven't done so already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a ton. Leave a comment for what you guys would like to have me help you draw next. And feel free to check out some of my other videos and go ahead and give those a like as well.